glimpse into the most expensive possessions of Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos. The richest individuals continue to amass vast fortunes, with the top 20 billionaires seeing their wealth collectively surge by $700 billion compared to last year. This comes as Bernard Arnault, head of luxury giant LVMH, retains his position as the world's richest person, followed by tech titans Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk. A closer look reveals how these billionaires spend their wealth. Number 1. Hedge fund manager Stephen Cohen reportedly owns a multi-million-dollar 14-foot tiger shark kept in a custom tank. Number 2. Oracle founder Larry Ellison went big in 2012, purchasing the Hawaiian island of Lanai, complete with resorts in a small town for a cool $300 million. Number 3. Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates is an art aficionado, having famously spent $30.8 million on a Leonardo da Vinci manuscript in 1994. Number 4. Amazon's Jeff Bezos stepped into the media world in 2013, acquiring the prestigious Washington Post for a hefty $250 million. Number 5. Tech entrepreneur Elon Musk made headlines with his $44 billion purchase of social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter.